Hello, in today's tool review we will be looking at the Milwaukee M18 brushless drill and impact driver. I purchased these two tools in February of 2019, so it's been almost a year and I love both of them, and they're very powerful tools, and the M18 platform makes it easy to have other tools that run the same platform. So let's start out with the drill. It's got two variable speeds, 1 and 2. 1 is going to be a slower speed, 2 is going to be much faster. It's got a 1/2 inch chuck and a very powerful LED light to light your workspace while you're working. It also features this drill mode, which is for drilling, so it won't ratchet, unlike these screw modes where it will ratchet like this. The drill mode does not do that, and it's got increasing ratcheting modes, so it takes more force to ratchet. So like 13 it takes more force to ratchet than 1. And the M18 batteries come with this little display, really handy. Lets you know how much battery percent you're at. So right now mine is at like 50% battery, less than 50. It comes with these two 2-amp-hour batteries. This kit, I got both of them in a kit, and it was like $250 or something. Came with a nice Milwaukee bag to store them both in, and it's got this belt clip, and you can switch it sides if you want. Just got 2 screws, one there and one there, and you can just flip it over here. The battery slides off like that, and that's about it for the drill. So moving on to the impact driver, I haven't really been able to test the full potential of this tool with power. I don't really have, it just keeps on snapping the bolts that I use to test it, so it's kind of hard to tell. Same battery light indicator, battery slides off the same way, so you can have one charging and another one in use. Both of these have the locking, so see, this one is partially, that one's not pushed in all the way, neither is this side, so you can't pull a trigger, it's locked. It's got forward and reverse. I like how the switch is positioned. Makes it really easy to slap it and forward and push it back into reverse. This one also features the powerful LED light. So it also has the belt clip, the 2 screws, and the other slot so you can change it. Both of these are brushless, so that's kind of Milwaukee's intermediate line. It's not fuel, which is going to be professional, and it's not like the homeowners, which is not fuel and not brushless. So yeah, let's do some testing. Alright, so back with the impact driver. I'm going to do a little test to see how this does in the wood. No problem at all. I'm gonna try these screws next. Very fast. Use the drill to pull these out. I'm going to put it in 2. And pull the ones out from the other side. No problem at all. And I will leave a link in the description to the two tools, and